Hello children, welcome to CA class. Today we will continue the same chapter, Scratch Programming 1, the Basics Concepts Review. Students, today we will learn to change the backdrop in the Scratch. Here you will learn to add and change the backdrop in the Scratch software. Backdrop is the background of the stage. I have already told you earlier. So wherever the sprite is, that is stage, and we can change the backdrop of the Scratch. So students, there are 4 ways you can add or change the backdrop. First of all, you can choose it from the library. Library means you might have seen in MS Word, there is a clip art already existing collection of pictures provided by the software. The same way in Scratch also there is a library in which you will be able to find various backdrops. So you can choose any backdrop from there. So for that you have to click on the first icon from the backdrop list area. When you click on it, then the library will open. From that Scratch library, you have to choose the backdrop that you want for your project. So students, the next is paint on your own. Paint on your own. That means you can create your own backdrop. Then after that, you can use that picture as a background. So students, you can paint your own background using this facility. For that you have to click on the second icon of the backdrop list area. Backdrop list area is there at the bottom where you will be able to see all the backdrops that you have used in your program. So students, when you click on that icon, then paint area will appear. There you will get various tools to create your own picture. You might have seen in MS Paint you are able to create your own picture. The same way here also you will be able to create your own picture. After creating the picture, you can choose that picture as a backdrop. Next is upload from your computer. Upload from your computer means any picture, if it is there in your computer, then you can use that picture as a backdrop. So students, here you have to click on the third icon from the backdrop list area. Now, when you are able to choose it from your computer, that means you have downloaded from the internet or you have clicked by your mobile and then you have inserted in your computer or by any other way. Okay, if someone has sent you the picture, you can use that picture as a backdrop. So the picture should be at your computer. For that you have to select the third icon. When you select the third icon, then the file browser will appear. Okay, from there you can choose your file that you want in your background. After selecting the file, you have to click on OK button, and then after that the picture will be added in the backdrop. That means in the background of the stage. When you add these pictures, then you will be able to see these pictures. That means all selected backdrops, means all backgrounds you have chosen, will appear in the backdrop list area. Now students, the last option is take a photo with your web camera. In your laptop, there is a web camera. You can connect a web camera to your computer, and then after that, you can select this option, your web camera will start, and then you will be able to take your own picture. Means you can click any background, and then when it will be clicked with the web camera, it will be stored on your computer, and then after that you can select that backdrop as a background image of your stage. When you have selected any of the backdrop, all backdrops, the thumbnail of those backdrops will be seen in the backdrop list area. Now students, we will study that how we can add or change a sprite in Scratch. The various ways in which you insert the backdrop in your Scratch software. The same way here also you can insert sprite. So there are 4 ways. First of all, you can choose from library. Already existing library is there of sprites with various costumes. Costumes means poses. So you can select any sprite for your program. So students, here while choosing it from the library, you have to click on the first icon from the sprite list area. All the sprites will be visible in sprite list area, and there you have 4 icons. So you have to choose on the first icon to choose the sprite from the library. Once you have selected the icon, then the Scratch library will open, and from there you can choose desired sprite for your program. Now paint on your own. Here students, you can paint your own sprite, like you know how to make teddy bear and any other object, like you can create a ball and you can create any object, any sprite. You have to click on the second icon, the paint icon, then the paint area in the Scratch software will appear. There will be so many tools to paint a sprite. You can choose any tool and you can create a nice sprite that you want in your program. Now students, upload from your computer. If you want to take any picture from your computer, it can be your picture or any picture you have downloaded from the internet or clicked by your mobile, etc. So you have to click on the third icon, and after that the file explorer will appear. From that you can choose a sprite, means any picture, and then after that you will be able to add it in your program. Now take a photo with your web camera. This is the last option to select the sprite. So students, when you will choose this option, the web camera connected with your PC or laptop will start, and then you will be able to click your picture. You will be able to select that picture. You can use that picture as a sprite. So students, only this much for today. All of you try adding backdrops and adding sprites and changing sprites, etc. practically. Thank you. Have a nice day.